Are you tired of using password or PIN to unlock your Samsung phone and you want to lock your phone without using password or PIN? Well, no more worry. Here I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your phone. So let's get started. First, open up the settings. Now scroll down a little bit, then tap on the lock screen option. After that, tap on screen lock type. Now find out the face under the biometrics. Toggle it on, then tap continue. After that, tap next. Before that, set a recovery security method to unlock after restarting your phone. I would like to set PIN as a recovery security method. Tap on PIN. Set your new PIN code number. Then tap on next from the keyboard. If you set an easy PIN, it will suggest you to set a difficult PIN. Or if you want to use a simple PIN, then tap use anyway. But I recommend to set a difficult PIN. Then again, tap next from the keyboard. Enter this PIN again to confirm it, and tap next once again. And now your front camera will start to scan your face. Grab your phone properly and focus your face in the middle of the circle. After the scanning, your face will register to unlock. Tap done from the bottom. Again, tap done. All set, now give it a try. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in.